YouTube, what is up? So I picked up off of Amazon the Spigen Ultra Hybrid T C11 series of case for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can pick this up off of Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description. Run you about 30 bucks. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, Ace, didn't you already do a video on the T Spigen Ultra Hybrid? Yes, but I wanted this case because look at that design. 3D printed layer clock thingy happening. And then I also saw another one that's like a stained glass window looking design. And I'm like, that's cool. I want it. Because if this has that cool design with everything else that came with the Ultra Hybrid T, I'm in. And you want to know how else you can be in? Sub into my channel, smashing that like button. So what do you say? Let's get into this case. All right, so I've got, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid T C11 series that's designed by Spigen in their lab, Chronos Edition. The T series, it has that flush capture button thing, which they really did a bang up job.
Noise.
Pop it open here with y'all. So what do we got? We got the box, bye-bye box, and then we have the plastic wrap. So bye-bye plastic wrap. There it is. Look at that. Oh, we got, what do we got here? We got, kind of pump the microphone. Maybe this one will be cleaner. Listen. Ooh, that is wild. With all the little clock mechanisms and everything in it. But you can tell there is, on the back of the case here, this is, the clear case, but it does have here on the outside of it, clock design, and then on the inside, or is that the back side?
Huh?
See, there's the MagSafe, or the MagFit, but yeah. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I'm kind of digging that design. I don't know. The only thing that I don't know if I care for is the white 11, but I get it. It's the, C11 series, which is cool, but, maybe like in a red or something like that. You got that inset capacitive button and a lanyard hole. Hashtag no lanyard. And you got your cutouts all the way around protection. I do wish that they would go back to the buttons that didn't have the little air gaps in them. But, beggars can't be choosers. This is kind of a glossy on the sides, but yeah. Let's go ahead and let's weigh this case. So I've got my scale here and weighing the case, 41 grams, which, if memory serves, that's exactly the same weight as the original T series. They did have the Ultra Hybrid without the capacitive button, just a cutout, and it was just 40 grams. Didn't even add any extra weight.
Cool. All
right, so let's go ahead and pop in the C11. Look at that. That is kind of slick looking. I dig that. Kudos on the design there, Spigen. I like it.
I like it a lot.
It's got some writing on here. That's how. It's now or never, Chronos Edition. So let's see. It's got this like glossy finish on the sides, which I would have been more of a matte black kind of person, but that's just me. It's all the buttons. How are the buttons? Buttons work good, and action button works great, and sleep to wake works good too. So let's see, the buttons, yeah, they got some good click to them. And the capacitive button, the little capture button thing, it works swimmingly. I'm telling you guys, when it comes to the cases and just that flat, no bump, just straight flat case into the case. That's the way to go.
He likes it.
Got little footies, you know, down here for when you have it flat. Not gonna get any, well, you're still gonna get wobble over here because, is it just me or are you guys ready? Because I'm ready for an iPhone Pro with not so big of a camera bump. Because this, I'm sick of that. I'm tired of the wobble. Give us something, Tim. It's got all the way around protection. You got precise, nice cutouts there. Nice size for third-party accessories. And lanyard, we don't want to talk about it. And all the way around, looking good. How about that screen protection? Looking at it, yes, it's got a nice, good raise across all of, you know, the phone. So you should have no issues when you go to set it down. And then on the camera, what do we got here on the camera? Yeah, a nice, you know, not too shallow, not too deep camera raise, you know, to protect your camera. So you should be good when you go to set that one down as well. Now the feel in the hand is good. You know, it's got, you know, rounded edges. It's not slippery, even though the side looks glossy. It's got, you know, a decent grip to it. So let's go ahead and check out the fit on the phone. Going around the sides here, you know, it doesn't really, it comes out a little bit, but it snaps right back in. And then coming down here on the bottom, of course here, you know, is where you have your most give, but it does snap right back. Up top here, you know, it's nice and stiff. Oh! What about back tap? While I'm double checking the back tap, pops off nice and easy. And let's see here, back tap. Yeah. Let's see if we can't get the back tap to work. Well, you can't have everything, no back tap. How about them magnets? Spigen's always had really good magnets. You know, well, not always. The past couple of years, you know, they've had really good, so we'll just go with it. Good again, these come across as some serious, solid magnets. But of course, we've got to see if it charges and do a little shake test.
Excellent.
So I've got my 160 gram weighted charger here. And it charges. And what about that dewdrop? Let's take a look. What do we got? Oh yeah, it's got some resistance there. You can kind of hear that clicking. Let's see, let's do a little shake test here. I want to say they've, you know, hard shakeage on these things usually. So we got medium, or, well, it's light, medium, hard shakeage, definitely hard. You gotta be careful, it'll still wiggle in the butt. Wiggle in the butt, wiggle in the butt.
Stop it, get some help.
So, yeah, so hard shakeage, very nice. But let's grab a wallet. I've got my Andar, the Mag wallet here, which is also really good magnets. And yeah, it's, oof, that takes effort. Yeah, it's nice. The dewdrop even it's tight. The dewdrop, well, I mean, not tight, but it's, yeah, it's there. I think you're good if you've got a magnetic wallet. And just real quick, I'm testing, because I know I had a viewer ask me on the original Ultra Hybrid with, you know, with the cutout button. He was like, mine wobbles when you set it face down. And sure enough, when I tried it out, it wobbled face down, but seems like, nope, there's no wobble. So let's say you're looking for something, a case that's just a little bit thinner, but offers some good protection. I've got a video right here. This is the Binks Armor Tint case. I really enjoyed this case. That's been my go-to case if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. Guys, thanks for stopping by. Peace and love.